Law of Attraction success story number 3. Hey, Scott Haug here with the Manifestation Accelerator, where manifestations and results are made easy. In today's video, we're going to be going over a success story around manifestation and law of attraction that will help you increase your belief, help you increase your faith in this process, and allowing yourself to really be in the essence of saying, hey, if this person can do it, I can do it as well. Just a little preference, my client here, Emma, is in our course, okay? And it's a Manifestation Accelerator course. It takes you step by step through a manifestation process on a weekly basis. She's been following the course for a long time and started to manifest $20,000 consistently every single month, generating a lot more sales, a lot more team members, a lot more everything into her life and business. So, as she has gotten into this course, she's been consistently applying the stuff, and that's how she got there, okay? It wasn't an overnight thing, and you always want to know that because it's not magic. Right? You don't just throw dust in the air and things start to manifest. You follow a system, follow a process, things will start to move. Just before we jump in the video, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell icon as well. So you're subscribed to the channel, and then in the comment section as well, send a congratulations out to Emma. Because if you can congratulate more people that are manifesting good things into your life, that energy comes right back to you. The more jealous you are, the more envious you are, the more negative energy you put out, and you don't expect good for yourself. So put out some good energy to Emma here as well. It's going to come right back to you because you're going to start to congratulate success. Guess what comes more to you? Success. Because you're in that energy. Let's transition right over to Emma's success story here. You're going to love it, really listening to all of her words here. If she can do it, you can do it as well. Let's jump right over there.
Hi there, my name's Emma Edgar, and I would love to tell you about my own experience with the Manifestation Accelerator program. So I started working with Scott in November 2019, and since then I can proudly say that my business now turns over at least another $20,000 every month. So that is a major thing for me, because that's really why I joined. I wanted to put into action a lot of the things that I was learning, and that's the key thing here. With Scott and with the Manifestation program, he teaches us how to not only learn the skills of how to manifest, but how to actually apply them into your everyday life. So for me, that was the difference. That was the game changer, because I could do all the personal development under the sun, all the learning for years and years and years. I was taking in the information, but I wasn't effectively applying it. And through the teaching and the learning with Scott, he's got such a step-by-step way of teaching us how to do it. I made some major breakthroughs. In fact, in the last 48 hours, I've actually manifested another $3,500 in. So I'm very excited to share that on the Facebook page. But everything's great. It's a positive environment, lots of success around you. And that's the key. You're going to be surrounding yourself with these positive people who are manifesting just like you want to and just like you will be. So go for it. You've got nothing to lose. It's an absolute steal at $50 a month. It's an incredible price for what you're going to learn. But don't forget, it's in the application. So enjoy, everybody. I can't big up this enough. It's brilliant. Thank you. Thank you, Scott.